Hi everyone, my name is Savani Simput, ID number 568101432. Today I'm telling about the ugly duckling story. I hope you enjoy with that. The ugly duckling. Near the river, Mother Duck was incubating 5 eggs in their time, first of egg except, but the one of egg didn't hatch. Suddenly, the egg gradually hatched, and my mother duck said, "Oh my goodness, how ugly it is!" But Mother Duck's welcome is into the book. One day, Mary Duck took her 5 ducklings for a swimming lesson in a pond. On the way, they come across a tiger and a dog. They made fun of ugly duckling and laughed at him. Ha ha ha! Hey, what's that? Ugly things appeared to be. In a moment, the ugly ducklings were to come across Clock and Hen, and they said, "Hey, have you ever seen so ugly?" The next day, the ugly duckling went and tried the beggar home. When the beggar saw the ugly duckling, he said, "Go away, you ugly creature." At last one day, the ugly duckling runs away. He comes to the river, and he sees the beautiful big bird in there. Their feathers are so white, their necks so long, and their wing is pretty. The little ducklings looked and looked with them. She wanted to be with them. She wanted to stay and watch them. He know they are sworn. Heart he want to beautiful like them. Now it is winter. Everything is white snow, and the river is cold with ice. But the ugly ducklings very cool and unhappy. Spring comes once again. The sun shines warmly. Everything is fresh and green. Once morning, the ugly duckling see the beautiful swan again. He know them. He wanted too much to swim with them in the river, but he afraid of them. He wanted to die. He ran into the river, and he looked into the water. There in the water, she see a beautiful swan. It is he. He is no more an ugly duckling, but he is a beautiful white swan. The end of the ugly duckling. Thank you for listening to me.